Hi, Luis. In order to demonstrate the power of generative AI for Excel, here is what I would do. So let's take, for example, VLOOKUP. And in this case, what do we have? We have the postcodes, but in this case, the boroughs, they are missing. I have the entire list of postcodes and the corresponding boroughs in sheet 2. So how would I go about that? Well, for that, I'm going to split my screen into two parts. On the left-hand side, I have ChatGPT, and on right, I have the data. So I can see on the right-hand side and dictate. Here we go. In an Excel workbook, I have sheet 1, which has got postcode districts in column A and the corresponding boroughs in column B. However, column B is blank. In the same workbook, in sheet 2, I have the entire list of the postcode districts and the corresponding boroughs in column A and B respectively. Tell me, what should I do? Good. Okay. So it has picked up exactly what I wanted to, and I enter. Well, so it says simplest method is a VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. And I did not even mention a VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP at all, right? It gives me a formula which says XLOOKUP. Why XLOOKUP first is because based on the amount of work that people would do for XLOOKUP is definitely more than VLOOKUP, considering XLOOKUP is far more popular now as compared to VLOOKUP, which used to be in the earlier times. Well, if we are still very particular about a VLOOKUP, what would I do? I would just copy this, click over here, click Control V. Here we go. VLOOKUP, and then I just double click SW1A Westminster, SW1A Westminster. The idea over here is it avoids the need for the user to remember the function. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, count, SUMIF, etc. No need. Once that is done, that's the one part of the problem. The second part of the problem, which is avoided, is knowing the syntax of how is it going to be written in the entire formula. This is the way I typically run my sessions nowadays using the power of generative AI. I now look forward to hearing from you on discussing the next steps. Thank you so much.